The second component of a data model is a set of operations that can be performed on the data. Now, in this module, we'll discuss the operations without considering the bigness aspect. In course 3, we will come back to the issue of performing these operations when the data is large. Now, operations specify the methods to manipulate the data. Since different data models are typically associated with different structures, the operations on them will be different. But some types of operations are usually performed across all data models. We'll describe a few of them here. One common operation is to extract a part of a collection based on a condition. In the example here, we have a set of records, and we are looking for a subset that satisfies the condition that the fifth field has a value greater than 100,000. Now, only one record satisfies this requirement. Note that we called this operation subsetting rather loosely. Depending on the context, it's also called selection or filtering. The next common operation is retrieving a part of a structure that is specified. In this case, we specify that we are interested in just the first two fields of a collection of records. Now, this produces a new collection of records which has only these fields. This operation, like before, has many names. The most dominant name is projection. In the next module, we'll see several versions of this operation for different data models. The next two operations are about combining two collections into a larger one. The term combine may be interpreted in various ways. The most straightforward of them is set union. The assumption behind the union operation is that the two collections involved have the same structure. In other words, if one collection has 4 fields and another has 14 fields, or if one has 4 fields on people and the dates of birth and the other has 4 fields about countries and their capitals, they cannot be combined through union. In the example here, their two collections have 3 and 2 records respectively, with one record that's common between them, the green one. The result collection has 4 records because duplicates are disallowed because it's a set operation. Now, there is indeed another version of union where duplicates are allowed, and we will produce 5 records instead of 4. The second kind of combining, called a join, can be done when the two collections have different data content but have some common elements. In the example shown, the first field is the common element between the two collections on the left. In this kind of data combination, there are 2 stages. First, for each data item, think of a record of collection 1, one finds a set of matching data items in collection 2. Thus, the first records of the two collections match based on the first field. In the second phase of the operation, all fields from the matching record pairs are put together. In the first record of the result collection shown on the right, one gets the first 4 fields from the first collection and the remaining 2 fields from the second collection. Now, in this small example, we found one pair of matching records from the collections. In general, one would find more than one matching record pairs. As you can see, this operation is more complex and can be very expensive when the size of the two collections are large.